learning a lot from your peers and going to the case studies. That in itself is worth the money to come to the conference. And getting to see some of the new equipment they're offering, it's really nice.
So far with all the learning sessions that I've attended, every one of them has been beneficial. I've been able to take information either from the presentation or through the Q&A session with other participants of the conference.
It gives me as a PDM planner the opportunity to bring my frontline guys to get them some education, get them some good training, some non-biased training so that they can really get their feet on the ground.
Very familiar with Noria and their capabilities, so we jump at the opportunity to come down here and take a look at what the latest and greatest is.
If you're just in your own plant, you only see one way of doing it. It's been passed down. But by coming here, you see all the different possibilities, and it opens up the realm of we can do something different and we can make it better.
It's just been a great experience, and each and every year, it just seems like it gets a little better and a little better.
You've always got problems, but you don't always know the solutions, and that's what I've been, finding solutions to the problems we have. So it's been real interesting from that standpoint for me.
The conference, in my opinion, has been very good, very useful. I can see a lot of application, and if I could bring others from our refinery, I think it'd be very helpful. Get them on the same page, and we could work together better at some of these things to improve.
I, from day one, have been thrilled by coming here. I've been bombarded with information, with useful information. And I've come here and everyone here wants to help me do my job, genuinely help me.
Oh, the knowledge, absolutely the knowledge. I mean, you can, and I'm not just talking about the training sessions, you can learn just as much by sitting next to someone at the lunch table as you can in the training sessions, because the presenters and the participants are just a huge wealth of knowledge. And I'll put it out there that you should definitely send your people, and if you're only sending your reliability guys, and if you're only sending your lubricators, you're missing out on some of the value. You got to get the operators here, you got to get the upper management folks here. These are the folks that need to hear this, and that's how you start to make a culture change towards a more reliable plant.